Okay guys, we will move on to page 399. Now, Mr. Reed baked 4 pans of lasagnas for family party. Use the rectangles to represent the pans. Okay, I have 4 pans. Okay guys. Now, number 8. He wants me to draw lines to show how Mr. Reed could cut 1 pan of lasagnas into thirds. Okay, thirds guys, so I need only 3 parts. And 1 into 4s. Okay, that's easy. I need 4 parts. Okay, and 1 into 6s. So, okay. And last 1 into 8s. Okay. Have 8 parts. Now, at the end of the dinner, equivalent amount of lasagnas in 2 pans were left. Use the models to show the lasagnas that might have been left over. Write 2 pairs of equivalent fractions to represent the models. Okay guys, I have here divided into 3, and I have here divided into 4, here divided into 8, and here, into 6, and here divided into 8. Okay, I want equivalent fraction. In the first pan, if I have only 1 left over. Now, can I draw the same amount in the second pan? No. If I shade only 1, it's not gonna be equal. And if I shade 2, also it's not gonna be equal. Now, how about the third one? If I shaded 1, it's gonna be equal? No. How about if I shaded 2? Yeah, it's gonna be equal. Now, in the last one, if I shaded 1, it's gonna be equal? No. 2 gonna be equal? No. 3 gonna be equal? No. So I can shade 1/3 from from the first one, and it's gonna be equals to what? 2/6. Now, let's look at the second one. If I shade only 1 part, we already agreed it's not gonna be equals to the first one. So if I shaded 1 part here, it's gonna be equals? No. 2 parts is gonna be equals? No. How about if I shaded 2 parts from the first one? Is it gonna be equals? Yes. So 1/4 equals to what? 2/8. Now guys, number 8. Tom rode his horse for 4/6 miles. Lisa rode her horse for an equal distance. So he needs equivalent fraction, guys. What is an equivalent fraction that describe how far Lisa rode? Okay, let's start with Tom because it's the fraction that I have. It's 4/6. So let's shade 4/6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try to shade the same size. So I'm gonna, I'm gonna try to shade same size. So who can tell me my new fraction? The equivalent fraction can be what? I have how many parts shaded? 2. 2 over what? I have how many in total? 3. So 4/6 is equals to 2/3. Number 9. Avery prepares two equal sized oranges for the pets of the zoo. One dish has 3/8 of an orange, another dish has quarter of an orange. Which dish has more orange? Do I have same denominators? No. Same numerators? No. So how I'm gonna compare? I'm gonna use models. Okay guys, I have 3/8, so I'm gonna draw a circle and I'm gonna divide it into 8 equal parts, and I will shade only 3. And I have 1/4, so I'm gonna draw a circle and I'm gonna divide it into 4 equal parts, and I will shade only 1. Now, which part that I have is bigger? Yes, 3/8, so 3/8 is bigger. So which dish has more? The first dish. Now let's move on to page 400. Gina painted eighths of one dish of a fence. One side of a fence. Mark painted 1/6 of the other side of the same fence. Use greater than, equals, or less than to compare the part that they painted. Okay, I have 1/8 and 1/6. Now, who can tell me the name of the fraction? Yes, it's crazy fraction. Why it's crazy fraction? Because I have same numerator. So crazy fraction, small is big. Okay, think the opposite, guys. I need, which is greater, 8 or 6? 6. Why? Because it's crazy. Now, number 11. Bill used a third of a cup of raisins and 2/3 cup of banana chips to make a snack. Okay, he wants me to compare between 1/3 and 2/3, guys. It's a regular fraction. Why? Because I have same denominators, so it's supposed to be easy. 1 is bigger than 2? No. 2 equals 1? Also no. Now, 1 is less than 2? Yes. 2 is greater than 1? Also, yes. Now, guys, George, Lane, and Crosby meet at playground. George lives 5/6 miles from the playground. Lane lives 4/6 miles from the playground. Crosby lives 7/8 miles from the playground. Now, part A. Who lives closer? Closer, guy. Think closer, so he will need a small distance. So I need the smaller fraction. To the playground, George or Leon? Okay, guys, I have George. He lives 5/6 miles from playground, and Leon lives 4/6 mile from the playground. Now, I want closer, so I need shorter distance. So, which is smaller, 5 or 4? 4. Why? I'm gonna look to the numerators because denominators are the same. So, 4 is smaller, so I'm gonna go with Lean. Now, part B. Who lives closer to the playground? Closer again, guys. So, here needs the smaller fraction. George or Grosby? Okay guys, since we don't have same denominators or numerators, so I'm gonna use models. I have 5/6, so I'm gonna shade 5 out of 6, and I have 7/8, so I'm gonna shade 7/8. Okay guys, I need closer means shorter or smaller fraction. So, which is smaller, 5/6 or 7/8? Obviously 5/6, and my answer will be George.